Today we're working on a 2019 Honda HR-V with a 1.8 liter engine, and I replaced the low beam headlamp bulb on the driver's side. So in order to replace the bulb, it's located here. You just need to push down on the connector, push in and down on the connector and take it out and twist it counterclockwise, so you're able to get it out. This one is a new bulb. I replaced it already. I'm just showing you on how to take it out and how to put it back in. So these ones, they have the 3 prongs or notches, so you gotta make sure that you line them up. And there's a rubber gasket, orange gasket. Just make sure that the old one is not still stuck onto the housing. So this is an H11 bulb, H11. So we were just going to reinstall this back inside the housing until it lines up and sits flush. So once it sits flush, you just need to turn it clockwise to lock the tabs in place, and just to reinstall the connector afterwards, and then that should be it. So just reinstall the connector. Just make sure that everything is in, and then that's it. I'm just gonna turn the headlight switch on, and it's working now. Just one thing to take note is to make sure that you don't touch the glass of the headlight bulb with your fingers, because our hands contain residual oils, so it's going to shorten the life of the bulb. If you want, you should wear gloves and install the bulbs then, but in this case I touched the body of the bulb, so it's fine. So that won't damage anything, but just in case, it's best to wear gloves so you don't get the residual oils on the glass of the bulb. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.